Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video, we are trying to clone that repository. We require the password. For that password, how to generate that one, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, go to your settings section and here personal Bitbucket account settings. Okay, go there and here we have app passwords, right? So click on it and here we have to create a new app password. Create a app password, name anything, label Rajnikant. Okay, so permissions, account to read, write, anything you can just make the permissions, workspaces also, snippets, projects. So here you can see we have to give them the right permissions. Okay, pull request, we need the read and write. Okay, then create that one. Okay, so here we have the app password right now. Okay, now I'm going to just take a clone. Okay, let me just go open with the Sublime and here just I'm going to put the password over there. Okay, now I'm going to go to my work request. So here we have a repository, clone, copy this, go to the terminal, clear, just paste it requires the password, so just copy this password and let's try to do that the cloning is done or not. And here we go with that. If I go with cd react what's the project name is react underscore front end, right? And here you can see that we have a readme file. Okay, so this is how you are successfully able to clone with the password. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.